Today we're playing 99 Nights. Oh, dang it. That was at least consequence. It was kinda good. Kinda. At least we have 186. Okay, not bad. 125, 186. Yeah, that's a good thing. That's actually a good thing. All that time, he kept on setting us back. He will send us back again. I'm going to actually crash out. I'm going to be pissed, man. Lord, 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 Lord. So guys, we have to heal the deer because the deer helped you fight cultists apparently. Oh my days. Whatever. Oh, okay, thank God. It's taking us back to the screen, back to the apple thing. And hopefully everyone is in. Let's go. Good, we got some good people. Okay, not bad. Now I should be cooking this in no time. Guys, get all the saplings from every single tree. I'm just gonna cut down all the trees and gather saplings, because I'm going to build like the safest base. I'm only getting saplings right now. Other people can collect the wood. For now, I'm only getting saplings. Saplings for 3. I'll just collect 3 minute logs of wood because nobody else is collecting them. Oh, it has already been increased. So in that case, that can go in there. Okay, anyways, let's start like this, and like this. Nah, but I feel like we should plant them like a little farther from the base, so we can have like a long wall. Actually, maybe not that far. What did I even do? Let's plant them like around the wall area, and I will circle it around the entire base. So right now, our first priority is to get what's it called again? Saplings. Yeah. But first, before we get the saplings, I'm gonna get the missing kit first. Oh, lucky for me that I won't if you're organized as Oh, that wolf is not supposed to be bad. Oh, it's coming up the hill. Okay, now let's try these wolves real quick. Oh, I'm gonna jump down, but never mind. Something follows me down here. Oh, that she scared me. I thought something was coming to attack me. Okay, what ammo? Yeah, I think I'm gonna head back to camp now. Cause my health is okay. She's collecting all the food. I want to go there, grab all the fuel canisters. Bro, he took all of them. He stole all of them from me. Okay, good stuff. Let's go. Let's grab one from there. Grab some more revolver ammo. Oh, unlucky for me, they're in that chest there. Imagine this just gives me a rifle. That would be actually crazy. Another good suck. Does anyone want a good suck? Bro, get out of the water. Oh. That's why I don't want to stay out there. So that's why. Do you need a good sack, bro? Oh, flip. I didn't even put the multiplier. Dang it. Didn't install that. First mission get done. Okay, move out of the screen. Wait a second, just tell me where a second is. Okay, there. I'll be glad to that right today. Oh, too bad. I'm gonna go and get the second mission kit. Anyways, I saw some cool around there. Should I get it now? There's no point. I don't like fighting wolves because I just waste my time. Ooh, I already see it. Bro, why is that stuff? How does that stop? Oh, this is crazy. Tire. Oh, flip. Bro. I see another tire. Guys, if I fall down, I'm actually done. Once I get the bandage, I'll never fall. Because guys, if I fall down, I'm actually done. I'm actually done for if I fall down. And on top of that, I'm even hungry. Okay, day 2 missing kid. We're actually grinding. Oh god, I mean, I need to eat something. Oh, I think she left again. Flip. Where did that alpha come from? Dang it. And there's a tire there too. I don't know how I just keep on dying. Why is it when I have the missing kid? Like, actually, that's why I hate going back on the lolly. Oh god. And someone should come on me very much. Okay, somebody's coming. Let's go. Oh, do you even have any weapons? Okay, the guy has very good. Okay, good. I know where the guy has a giant sack. Bro, you realize you're right next to the hospital. So, yeah, you realize you're right next to the hospital, right? Bro, if you leave the hospital, you're going to piss me off. Bro, you know you're right next to the hospital. Stop looting, bro. Okay, we looted everything. Bro, the hospital! Oh my days. This guy actually... Okay, there's a hospital right there. You can just go and loot a bandage and then get me alive. But no, it sent me back to the campfire. Why? Just why? My days, bro. The hospital was right there. But I still... Oh, he didn't get that. I think he was hungry, that's why. Okay, now they have to save us. Somehow. Okay, I think that guy knows where the bandages are. We're all going in the same direction. I think they're looting the hospital. It wasn't that the direction the hospital was in. Yeah, I think they went there to loot it because... Yeah, they have to be looting it. That's next to the missing kids area, and that should be the hospital, so they should be looting the hospital. Yeah, I can tell that they're looting the hospital. At least they know where it is. You know, there's still someone at camp. Are you guys looting the hospital or what? No, don't do that tactic. Use saplings instead, bro. I'll still put saplings all around, so like... Yes, I knew they were going to loot the hospital. The other guy left, I think. Yeah, now it's only 3 people. But anyways, we're still going to be grinding. We are going to grind. I want to cut down the tree. Like, never mind. If you guys have another bunny, you should go and heal the deer. Let me just see if we can get a bunny foot real quick. No bunny foot, seriously. Don't tell me that's the deer. That can't be the deer. That has to be the ram. Because the deer is injured right now. So that shouldn't be the deer. Okay, just can't be. Or it can be if this game is glitching. Yeah, but actually, dude. Oh, wait. Ain't no way. Oh, you can't see where I'm going. Yeah, and that's what the place the deer is going to come. Anyways, I need to go back to camp and hopefully there's food there. Hopefully there's some food there. Because I'm hungry. Whoa, what? Why is there no food here? Just eat a carrot to at least last me for some time first. Then now we have to go and find more food. Bunny, sorry, but I need you. I need to eat you. Oh great, I'm hungry now. One reason why I'm also killing bunnies because it also has a good chance of giving me a bunny foot. But it seems that none of these ones are here. Give me one. Eat. Oh. Okay, I'm going to go fishing. I need to fish so we can get some more food. Okay, there's a pond right here. Fishes stop bring up a lot but what the hell? Why do I think so thin? Oh dang it. I was so close. But I don't know why that one was so tiny and slim, you know. You'll be attacked now you turn to your campfire. She better not leave me alone here. Why did all my fish just fall into the water? Well, I guess we're eating soggy wet fish. We'll get used to it. Why'd your health so low? I have to protect her from the cultists. I can't let any cultists get towards her. Where did the guy get your rifle from? Like, actually. Okay, I want to go continue fishing. And the next lake I see. Okay, that's your lake. Oh, that's my lake. Okay. Are these lake? These are pretty much ponds. I mean, ponds. Built a good. Okay, he built a good bed. Chase me, I dare you. We'll see who's faster or slow, coach. Can you get me here? No, can you get me? No, can you get me? No, he can't. Scared he can't. Okay, let's see what this chest will go to. Okay. Oh, you built a biofuel processor. Can we put this inside? Let's see. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but whatever. I don't want to put it inside. You can put cultists inside. Right. I'm not gonna find random things to put. How do I still have an old axe? Like actually, how do I still have an old axe? Why did I stop? No, scrap cotton gin. I'm just gonna get something else. Oh, I know I'm gathering all these saplings. For sure. Does that guy have a strong axe or what? Or how is he cutting down those trees so fast? Yeah, that wall is not looking great, but you can do it. You can deal with it. Wait, there's an old teeming flute in there. There's no point in grabbing it. I don't even tame the animals anymore. At this point, what does the deer even need to get healed? Yeah, you can use a bandage to heal it, but like, don't move animals. There is light, flashlights, fire, etc. No wonder they don't enter the campfire. Guys, we can get that missing kid. Okay. Well, one fish to eat. I'm gonna go fishing so I can get some more food, you know? Yeah, we're actually grinding. We're actually grinding this. Guys, we're actually cooking. We're cooking. The owl has woken up. What do you mean the owl has woken up? It wasn't the owl we sent. The owl was chasing me before. What do you mean the owl just woke up? Actually. Okay guys, I need to get food or else at this point we're going to die. Well, it's only three people that are playing. 3 of us that are playing. I think the culture stronghold is somewhere in that direction. But anyway, did you guys know that you had an inventory? You can actually carry more things now. I guess. I think so. Okay, it's almost morning time. I feel like we're going to die from food. I'm gonna go loot. Just gonna loot around the different places, you know. How far would there? There should be good loot somewhere over in that direction. Yeah, I'm not going there. I don't have time to deal with those loots. Yeah, the court is in there, so I don't want to go in there. Yeah. And like it's not bad. I'm like not that bad. Ain't no way it golden chest. That's actually crazy. No, just defense blueprints. I know one thing, and that I'm not leaving this mythic chest. Ain't no way. No way. You're joking. You're actually freaking kidding me. Let's go. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. A tactical shotgun. That's mad. Yo, my sister out here should be. Bro, like, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. A tactical shotgun. A tactical shotgun. Nam. Bro, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. I've never got a tactical shotgun before. And those things are so deadly. Like, ain't no way I just got a tactical shotgun. Let me put this in instead. Yeah, my sister probably won't even believe me. But that's crazy. Yo. That's actually crazy, girl. No, I need to screenshot this thing. Just give me a sec. I need to screenshot this thing so I can show it to my sister. And she comes back home. Wait. How do you screenshot on your phone? Mommy, how do you screenshot on your phone? Isn't it the two volume buttons? Oh, don't waste your ammo. Actually, don't waste your ammo. How do you? It's not working. Oh. Can I tell you other picture of this? Mommy, I got a tactical shotgun like that. That thing is so crazy. Okay, I just have to take a picture of this. Ain't no way. I just got a tactical shotgun. Let me bring this out. Adjust my POV. Here you go. Yeah, but anyway, I just got a flipping tactical shotgun. He died. Study me and that banana bear dog. Well, I just flipping got a real tactical shotgun. No, but God, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. Oh yeah, awesome. Hey you, where did my loot just go to? Did he just kill his own pets? I wonder where all my loot just vanished went to, you know. Huh? Yes, okay, I just crafted a few shells. Mommy, do you know I got a tactical shotgun in the game? Do you know how rare those things are? No, but mommy is crazy. I'm going to show Zina. That's why I took a picture. I'm going to show Zina. Okay. So guys, I'm just gonna keep on building this. Wait, what? Okay, it went to the end. Okay, yeah, let me just build this shelf. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have a tactical shotgun. I can go and let me see it. And our fire should be expanded enough to do that. Hopefully. Okay. Oh flip, man! I'm starving. I'm actually starving. Get the muscle. Get the muscle. Get the muscle. Eat up fast, man. Bro, I literally almost starved to death. I want to camp around here for some time so my heart can regenerate. And then I'm gonna go and get. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go now. My heart is high enough. Okay, yes, it's in this direction. I'll just enter the camp for a bit so I can get filled up a bit more. And then let's start going. Hold on, this thing is hard to control because there are too many things on my screen. So I'm just going to drop this fishing rod real quick. Okay, not the most space. Okay, let me also just put down this defense blueprint. Now I'm done with that defense blueprint. Now I'm done with the defense blueprint.